Hey folks, it's Jeff Levin here, and tonight we're talking about fire starting on a budget and in an emergency situation. This is what you need to know. So if you want to know more, just stay tuned. So currently here in New Zealand, we are going through winter, and it's not warm. We're currently at 6 degrees Celsius, and yeah, that's not warm. But regardless of what time of year it is, you need to know how to make fire. And you need to know how to make fire in an emergency situation, or a camping situation, or just any situation. It's good to know how to make fire. So we're talking about Tinder tonight. Not necessarily Tinder, but a way to actually start Tinder up. Now, there's a lot of companies on the market. Extratak is one, and they have these things. And there's Wazoo, oh, by the way, yeah, Tinder quick. And Wazoo is another one, and they have a few good products. And there's a few companies on the market that do it. Fatwood is another way to do it. But if you're on a budget and you don't have a great deal of money to invest into stuff like that, Vaseline and cotton balls is the way to go. And I'm going to show that to you tonight. Now, basically, starting the fire is a simple process if you have all your gear. You need a way to start fire, which is a lighter, matches, there's some matches there. And what I'm going to show you tonight is using a ferro rod and a striker. Now this particular one is from a company called Light My Fire, and they're a Swiss company, I believe. And but there are plenty of people out there that make those. And I do strongly recommend that if you're going into the wilderness, that you carry something like this, as well as lighters and matches and stuff like that, to start a fire. So, okay, there we've got a cotton ball. Here we have a Vaseline. Here we have a coin bag from the bank. But, you know what? Any Ziploc bag will do. It doesn't even have to be Ziploc, but I prefer those. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the cotton ball and we're going to put it into the Vaseline and give it a nice little coat. Put it into a Ziploc bag and just scrunch it around the back. Now what that's doing is basically just spreading that Vaseline throughout the cotton ball. And you can just do this with multiple cotton balls and keep them in the same bag, and they last virtually forever. So it's not going to be something that you're going to have to do very often if you do enough of them. Okay, so I'm going to put this Vaseline and cotton ball on this plate here, and I'm hoping that you can see that. So I am taking my ferro rod and striker here, and I am going to light up this cotton ball. This is taking considerably longer than I thought it would, but that's alright. Okay, in the interest of time, we're just going to light it up with the lighter. I could have done it with the ferro rod, but it's taking a bit of time. And so there you go. This is how to make fire reasonably quickly. Yeah, it was almost quick with the ferro rod, but a bit quicker with the lighter. Now, if you're on a budget and you can't afford any of the extra tech stuff, the Vaseline and cotton balls is the way to go. That's going to start your tinder, and that is going to make you fire. If you've done your research, you know how to make a fire. A lot of people don't know how to make a fire. Well, there you go. Now you know how to make a fire. Alright, folks. So yeah, for just a few cents, basically, about $1, you can make enough tinder starters to last you a long time. In an emergency situation, that's how you want to go. Alright, folks, thank you very much, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye now.